In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Lusha list into Excel sheet. By the end, you'll have a clean CSV file that opens right up in Excel, ready for sorting, filtering, or sharing with your team. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and explain what each option does, so nothing feels confusing. Start by opening Lusha and heading to your dashboard. When the dashboard loads, look at the left-hand menu and select All Contacts. This view gathers the people you've saved or enriched, so you're working with the full set of contacts you want to export. Next, move to the top navigation and click CRM. This area is where Lusha centralizes options related to syncing and exporting records. Clicking CRM here doesn't send data anywhere. It simply brings up the controls and destinations you'll use to generate your file. Make sure you're focused on contacts so you're exporting people rather than companies. If you see multiple categories, choose contacts to keep the columns aligned with what Excel users expect, like names, job titles, companies, and other standard fields. Now, open the platform menu. Think of this as the place where you choose how you want your data packaged or where it might go. Even if you plan to work in Excel, it's perfectly normal to start in this menu to locate the export options. Find and select Export to CRM. Despite the wording, the export panel here also includes file-based options. You're not committing to pushing data into a connected tool. You're simply entering the export flow where the spreadsheet format lives. From the export choices, pick CSV. A CSV, short for comma-separated values, is a universal, spreadsheet-friendly format that Excel reads natively. It keeps your information organized into columns, so things like first name, last name, company, and title stay in their proper places when you open the file. To finish, click Get the File. Lusha will prepare your contacts and generate the download. For larger lists, give it a moment. You'll see a confirmation or a browser prompt once it's ready. Save the file in a familiar location, such as your Downloads folder, so you can find it quickly. A couple of quick notes to help. If you don't immediately see all contacts, you may be in a different list or filter. Navigate back to the main contacts area. If the export option isn't available, it can be related to permissions or plan limits. And because CSV is a plain text format, it's widely compatible, making it easy to bring into Excel or other tools without extra setup. That's it, your Lusha contacts are now exported and ready for Excel.